Guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to increase your battery life in your iPhone. And so today in this video here I am going to showing that how to fix these problems in your Apple devices. And at first of all you need to open your settings, and after that you need to just scroll down, and after that you can see option battery, and just tap on this battery option from here. And after that you can see three of the options are here: battery percentage, low power mode and battery health. And you want to just tap on this battery health option from here. And after that you can see option optimized battery charging, and you want to just enable this option from here. And now let's go back to the settings. And after that you can see option accessibility, and just tap on this accessibility from here. And after in this accessibility you can see option display and text size, and you want to just tap on this display and text size from here. And after that you can see option reduce transparency, and you want to just enable this option from here. And in the below here you can see option differentiate without color, and you want to just enable this option from here. And after that once again scroll down, and after that you can see option reduce white point, and you want to just enable this option. And after that now you can see white point has been enabled, and by enabling this white point you can save more battery percentage by using this method. And our final step is you want to just enable your auto brightness option in your iPhone, and just enable this auto brightness option from here. And by using this method you can expand your battery life in your iPhones or in your Apple devices. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and thanks for watching our video.